Hello guys. The last problem of not following simple trading rules. Trading by nature is simple. It is to buy a stock. If it goes up, you keep it for longer to get better profits. If you are wrong, you exit with a small loss. Although what I told you here is very simple, but beginners stay years to understand this simple concept. Losing a trade is not a mistake. It is a normal thing that happens to anyone, either professional or beginner. Our society hates those who do mistakes. We think that if we lose a trade, it is a punishable thing. That's why traders hold losers for longer times, thinking they should not sell until the stock comes back. And that's the mistake. Will not be a mistake because they don't lose money, since they get their money back from the market. The truth is, losing trades with a small loss is a part of a natural thing in the trading process. You must have trading losses because the market will never be as you wish. The solution is to study and learn new things always and never stop. Trading is a lifelong learning process. You will be better when you learn more and correct more of your mistakes. The better your understanding to the market, the better you will be to make money from it. Okay, so as I told you here, most of the problem that happens is not to understand the basic thing in trading, the nature of trading. Okay, as society is against people who do mistakes, and they should be punished. So if you think that when you do a trade you get punished, so that's why you don't, since they told you if you sell, it means you confirm that you do a mistake and you should be punished. That's why in general you keep this loser and thinking that if you don't sell you don't lose. This is what one has sent me an email and say, if I don't sell, it means I didn't do a loss. I say, man, the stock you bought is $20, now it is 10. You are losing, or you lost 50%. You say, no, I am not losing 50% until I exit. Okay, I say to him, when will you exit? So he doesn't know when he will exit. Maybe he will have more than 50%. And this is what I am talking about. So you should try to learn more and to be more disciplined in these things, because trading is simple, but understanding needs time, practice, and it is a lifelong learning process. It's not something that you can do in 1 month or 2. Thank you very much for watching all these problems and their solutions. If you have any questions or you have other problems, please send me a private email, and let us speak more about these problems and solving it all. Thank you very much and have a nice day.